Welcome back, champions. Today, I want to talk to you about something that has been making waves in the financial world. The war always leaves a mark, not only on the people and the land but also on the economy. In this video, we will explore the devastating effects that war has had on the economy of Gaza. Welcome to Gaza, a city once thriving with bustling markets and a flourishing economy. But for the past decade, this vibrant city has faced the harsh reality of repeated conflicts and the impact has been catastrophic. The first casualty of war is usually the local businesses. When the bombs start falling and the city is in chaos, people no longer feel safe to venture out. Shops close, factories shut down, and the liveliness of commerce comes to a screeching halt. Business owner, before the war, my shop was bustling with customers. People used to come from all over Gaza to buy our products. But now, it's a struggle to even keep the lights on. The consequences of war ripple through every layer of society. With businesses shutting down, unemployment rates soar. Families struggle to make ends meet as jobs become scarce and opportunities dwindle. Those who were once proud providers for their loved ones are now left helpless. Economist, the war has disrupted the economic stability of Gaza in countless ways. The country heavily relies on imports for essential goods and resources. However, due to limitations imposed by various restrictions, these imports have slowed down significantly, leading to increased prices and scarcity of basic necessities. The war cripples not just the physical infrastructure of a city, but also the psychological well-being of its people. The constant fear and trauma make it difficult for individuals to focus on productive activities, hindering overall economic progress. Psychologist, war takes a toll on the mental health of the people, creating a sense of hopelessness and despair. It becomes challenging for individuals to pursue education, work, or even think beyond the immediate survival. The strapped state of mind significantly impacts their ability to rebuild and revive the economy. But amidst the devastation, there is hope. The resilience of the people of Gaza is remarkable. Local organizations and volunteers are working tirelessly to rebuild the shattered economy and uplift their fellow citizens. Through microfinancing initiatives, vocational training programs, and support for local entrepreneurship, communities are coming together to ensure a brighter future for themselves and their children. The road to recovery may be long, but the people of Gaza will not be defined by the wars that have ravaged their economy. With determination and resilience, they are forging ahead, rebuilding their shattered dreams, and proving that hope can triumph over adversity.